Hello guys, welcome to this video. It's the first time I make a video like this, so yeah, it's gonna be a bit whatever. I'm trading the Nasdaq on NQ, and it just took out the liquidity that this morning I plotted in the first place, and I was waiting for that for quite a while today. This morning I took this setup after it failed to push that liquidity up there, and he left a swing high, took out the swing high last purge, and then he invalidated this fair value gap, which is treated as inversion fair value gap. And I took a short here. It was a quick scalp. Unfortunately, the price kept going, and it took out 50% of this range. Then it came back up, and I took another short inside this fair value gap, and I made like 550 something. Here just at 50%. When it touched 50% and it closed below 50%, I shorted the price, and yeah, I took a quick scalp again. I wanted to short here as well. I think I took a trade, but I closed instantly because I wasn't sure at that point, because it was already kind of exhausted. Price took out this relative equal lows, and it started to go up again, and it was quite interesting the fact they took out this high reversal, and then minor sell side. It left a relatively equal lows, and now it went up to the major liquidity that I was targeting this morning. There's a couple of things that I want to see here today, and obviously I'm locked out for another 7 minutes for me to be at 13:15 in the UK. So yeah, let me see if I'm recording right. Yep, okay. This is a combine, by the way. It's just a top step account. Like at the moment, the locks that I have is just for the profit. I don't have locks in place for losses, because this is just a combine. And we are sitting right now at 49,473 with around 1,280 in the max drawdown. So we still have a bit of room. I would love to see this one taken as well. Yep. So yeah, I'm looking for this one to be taken back in the range. If it's taken back in the range, I'm targeting these relative equal lows here. Obviously, if you go on the 15 minutes time frame, they got a bit longer, higher time frame objectives. Can really can easily go and take this out as well. So for now, let's focus on the short term. One of the reasons why you should really be careful in trading these kind of setups is the fact that the price, if it doesn't break below the fair value gap, which creates an inversion fair value gap, if it doesn't do it with momentum, with strength, then it can be a bit tricky. Like right now, we have no idea what's going to happen. Plus I'm locked out for another 5 minutes. The reason why I locked myself out before is just because I made some profit. I said I need to take a couple of hour breaks, so you don't give it back straight away. But yeah, apart from that, Nice day here. The weather is good. I'm going to look for give me 1 second. Yeah, I need to do something. Poor. One second, yeah. Need to change room. Yeah, so I had to change room and set up in the other office. The fair value gap stayed open, so the bias is still bullish at this point. If anything, this could be a nice continuation play, and let's see what we can do. There's a few things that I'm looking at this at the moment. Is the buy side at 26,900. Indeed. This is definitely a play that I would like to take if he comes back inside. A 75% of the gap, something like here, 878. Okay, let's wait a couple of minutes. Let's see. Let's go. Goes down. Okay, the price is going inside. Let's see how it reacts on this fair value gap. See how this candle closes. If it closes above, yeah, I will take a market buy. Stop below the fair value gap, and I treat it as a breakaway gap. Well, let's see the candle closure first. Okay, we're in. I will stop here below this candle. Let's see if it's a quick scalp. If we can target the 900 with the liquidity. Let's see if it respects it. So for to make him clearer, this is the trade. If he inverts this fair value gap, I'm looking for a short. I mean, obviously it needs to close below this one, and I could look for a short at that point because it got the liquidity, get inside the range again. So let me see. Yeah. So I'm short at this point. I'll stop buy. You see it. First target will be this liquidity. It's not a singular fair value gap, so it could be. It's a bit risky, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie, but still like the setup. It's counter trend, so we need to be careful. See if it pushes now. I'm just looking at 50% of the fair value gap, as we could easily find some sort of support at this level. want to see speed at this point, because otherwise it's not going to be, could potentially reduce the risk at this point, you know, on this trade. I feel like if it breaks below this low, I'm gonna drag it to break even just above this high. So we in a risk-free trade, because it's counter trend. I want to be aggressive with my stop loss, to be honest. Could be like the wrong decision, but rather be safe than sorry. Let's just wait. It's taking a bit longer though. Well, I like the trade to be, because I usually don't like to keep positions just, you know, open this long, because you know, it defeats the purpose of you know, getting the right round. I'm thinking about like closing the trade, to be honest. Now I'm gonna give it a couple of minutes until 1:30. If like around 1:32 it's not moving, I'm gonna close the trade. Clearly, this is the first target, but technically my drawn liquidity would be like the relative equal lows here. I'm gonna reduce the risk another bit. Got stopped out on this weird move. You can add some more here. The stop would be here. I would add another one on the volume imbalance. This is a good setup. I really like it. That's why, you know, I increased the risk. We should see another push soon. Get one here. And probably the other two here. Now we just need to wait. I can see it get, you know, try to get a bit of strength here, around here. I'm gonna manually manage to stop because it could be wicked out like before, so. And we out. That was a good trade. It was a really good trade. Unfortunately, it got stopped out here, but you know, it was a really good trade anyway. I would love to take a continuation, but I think it needs to go down still. I think it's going to respect that. 50% of the fair value gap. I'm trading aggressively just because this is the combine, obviously. On my funded account, I would have already stopped. Breaks this low. I'm gonna drag to break even and see if it goes still. If it doesn't, it's fine. The reason why I'm looking still for a short here is because I didn't take any liquidity. Yes, it touched again this fair value gap here, but the momentum was pretty, bearish. So that's why. It would be tragic if we gave it back to everything after this good trade. But this is how it goes. Let's reduce the risk. Okay. That was unexpected again. I still want to sell, to be honest. We can even be more aggressive now because you already touched that the middle of the fair value gap. So once it breaks below this level, it's gonna keep going down aggressively. Okay, now we break even. Now let's chill for a bit. Otherwise, we're gonna end up in the overtrading shit. It looks like the price is respecting this imbalance in a discount. You need to look at this range here. Look, we're less than 50% of the range. The only thing that doesn't convince me is that this relative equal lows haven't been touched yet. So it's a bit. Can still be a good trade if you take a short here, invest this fair value gap, but wouldn't know now. You think it could be a cheeky long? Looks like it's respecting that. Yeah, I'll try this long. I'm gonna be very aggressive with my stop. It's gonna be break even already. I'm gonna take some profit here. Good. Cheeky scalp. We see AR 1134 for the day. By the way, this is risky, so don't do it at home. It's failing. We can see price further going down again to our relative equal lows if it breaks here. Okay, we out. This one, another 300. If you remember when we took this liquidity, I said that my target was the relative equal lows here. This is how you trade. Now we can see some resistance here, yeah? Like it's quite likely to see some buy orders coming in at this point, and you know, taking a little bit longer to break below the relative equal lows here, or at least touch them. I am around 100 away from the daily target. I got 1,500. It's like 5 handles with one contract, so I'm not gonna take excessive risk for that. I'm gonna take risk almost at all. It's bearish. Oh my days. It's bearish for a value gap. Got my eyes in it. 75% of that range now. Let me see how it closes. Okay, I'm going short here. My stop will be above the fair value gap. And we just need 5 handles. Let's see if they give us 5 handles. And it gave us 500. This is Mirko, ICT trader, the trade. If you want to learn how to do this, follow this channel. Whenever I can, I will make some videos like this. This is my first one, so obviously, it's not perfect, but hopefully you enjoyed it.